And good morning from the Lucas Family Farm. Do a update on our meat birds here. We started with 55. One was dead on shipping. The other one passed away just week during the shipping, obviously. Otherwise, we're still sitting at 53 of these little dinosaurs that are eating everything. They're almost 70 pounds of feed that they've gone through on, this is little over 2.5 weeks. They should be ready for their chicken tractor, but we have thunderstorms and rain coming through here in the Carolinas, so we are going to wait until we get an all clear before we move them to the tractor. But they are gaining weight and they're all healthy and happy, being the little dinos that they are. They're all trying to escape their brooder box, in which they had to have a top lid built for it. But gaining weight, moving right along schedule. They are totally hardened, no heat lamps, no heat tray. They're getting the full weather right now except for the rain. But otherwise, keep watching. We'll give you an update here in probably about week 3.5. Thank you, Obi. And we'll let you know how they're doing. Over here, I have my laying hens. Bar Rocks, Golden Buffs, Australops. There's our rooster, Obi. Obi, can you say hi? You're not going to say hi? You're camera shy now? I figure you would be. There we go. Alrighty, YouTubers. You have a good day. If you're in the Carolinas, stay dry. I'll keep you updated. This is Lucas Family Farm, out.